Today's tech tip is going to revolve around how to get multiple files from different workflows to transition together. Many people ask me how I can take multiple files and actually transition them together even when they're in different workflows. So today we're going to take a look at that using an engineering change order as the process. First thing you have to do is you have to link those two files together. So I'm going to check out the engineering change, and I'm going to actually go find my project files that are being affected by it. So I'm going to browse into my design data folder to find the two files that need to be affected by this engineering change order. So I simply copy those. I will come back to my engineering change order, and I will paste them as a reference onto that engineering change document. I now will check that document back in. Now notice at this point, when I actually change state of this document and I approve it, you'll see a couple of things happen. First of all, you will see that now the assembly and the drawing is all now attached to this engineering change document, but you'll see that PDM actually tells me that the file is in the wrong state, even though it's trying to move them together at the same time. So let me show you how we can make those things move together at the same time. So I'm simply going to cancel this dialog box. I want to bring up the PBM Administration Console. So I have two workflows here. I have the design workflow, so my SOLIDWORKS files are currently in the approved state, and I'm needing them to transition back to the work in process. If I go to my ECO workflow, my ECO is in pending approval, and I'm fixing to move it to approved. So here's the trick, or here's today's tech tip. Anytime you want files to transition together, make sure that the transition names are named exactly the same. So I'm going to change this one to say ECO approved. So now if you notice in this workflow, I have an ECO approved. If I go back to my design workflow, I have an ECO approved. So now let's go back to Windows Explorer, and now let's take a look and see how SOLIDWORKS reacts to this. So I'm going to right click on my engineering change document again. I'm going to go to change state, and I'm going to select ECO approved. Now at this point, notice what SOLIDWORKS PDM is doing. No longer am I getting a warning that says the file is in the wrong state, but now it's trying to transition everything all together at one time, which in my case is really not what I need. I only need the actual assembly and the actual arm and the arm drawing. So I simply can select those to actually be transitioned back into the workflow, or back into the work in process state. And here's my comment. I can say, please update per ECO, in my case 69482, and then I can assign that work to whoever I need to be assigned. And then I'll simply select OK. And so now you'll notice that my engineering change order is now approved. And if I go back to my design data, or my SOLIDWORKS data, you'll now actually see that the files that I need to work on, these four right here, have been successfully moved back into a work in process state. So today's tech tip should help you understand how to make files transition together even though they're in different workflows. Thanks for joining me.